Yo, yo, yo. It's International Food Week here in my kitchen, and we're cruising the globe vicariously through our taste buds. And now it's Festival! Okay. So it's not an actual festival. But listen, man, these Jamaican fried dumplings are the same name. They be just a thing to set your taste buds dancing. Welcome to my kitchen. Last year I made U.S. Virgin Islands Johnny cakes, which this is similar. However, Jamaica has its own Johnny cake recipe, so this is a little bit different dish. But I mean, you really can't go wrong with fried dough. So let's make some festival. All right, so to make the festivals, in a large bowl, we're gonna mix together 2 1/4 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 cup of cornmeal, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/2 to 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Just gonna give this a mix just so everything is combined. And then we're gonna add 2 or 3 tablespoons of softened butter. And we're gonna add 1 cup of milk or water. Right? And then we're just gonna knead the dough for about a minute or 2. And we're just trying to form a soft dough. Make sure that everything comes together. All right, and then we're just going to set this aside for about 10 minutes, just so that everything gets absorbed. Cool, it's been 10 minutes. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're going to divide the dough into equal pieces. And then to make the festival shapes, we're going to make them like you're making a sausage. You're gonna kind of roll them in between your hands, you know, like you did with Play-Doh when you were younger. You're just making kind of a log shape. All right, I'm gonna finish these up here, and then we're gonna get these fried up. Now, if you want to do more of a dumpling shape, you can just roll them into balls and then just lightly flatten them. Now, Jamaican festivals are a typical Jamaican cuisine. Now, despite its slightly sweet taste, it is usually served as a side dish to dishes such as fried fish, escovitch fish, or jerk chicken. Beautiful. All right, so I have my oil preheated to 350 degrees, and we're just going to get these fried up until they're nice and golden brown. About 7 minutes or more depending on the size. And then you just remove and let drain. And just let these cool a bit and you're golden. You have festival deliciousness on a plate, man. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if you've had festival before, or if you've been to Jamaica, or you definitely want to give this recipe a try. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for joining me. Tune in tomorrow for another international recipe, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.